Testing out this microphone we got off of Temo. So this is a microphone I got off Temo. No brand name. Battery percentage 90%. Charges USB-C. Comes with 2 microphones and transmitter. This right here charges the batteries. Got the microphone right here clipped on. I got the transmitter plugged into the USB-C port on the DJI Action Pro, the DJI Osmo Action 4. With that plug, I bought this right here, a USB-C 90-degree plug. So basically it's plugged in like this. This is plugged into the Osmo Action 4, and then the transmitter is plugged into here. I don't see it on my front screen, but I noticed when I looked at my back screen, I would make quick turns, it would pop up. So who knows, we'll see what happens when I look at this video. So far, transmission, or so far volume level, I'm pretty loud. I'm hitting orange, but I normally don't carry a microphone this high up. Unlike the DJI, the MC2 for DJI, the microphone too, it has a magnet piece. So I normally put the magnet on my chest or somewhere lower towards my apex. No, I don't have apex, but somewhere in that area to where the volume isn't so high. It's not hitting red, but it's definitely hitting orange. I like it to be around max green, mid green. This is max green, mid orange. So yeah, this is my testing. I will listen to the sound quality and go from there. This is how the microphone looks. You have the USB-C charger right here. So if you don't have the case, you can still charge it USB-C. You have the power button right here. The microphone right here. That's who you're talking to. And this is a wireless charge. So when I put it in the case, that's what it'll charge onto. This is your clip on your shirt or whatever you need to clip it on. And that is pretty much it. It's your power indicator. Test. Okay, so they're both on. So once you take it out of the case, they both turn on. So I will have to hold the power button, I guess, to shut it off. This is the first time I actually tried it. I was waiting for this 90-degree piece to come in, and we'll see. I don't know how it is for range because I haven't tried it in range. I will try it when I shoot another video. Currently waiting for my son to come home, so it's not going to happen in this video, but so far, I don't know. We'll see about the volume. It's your boy, One True Gemini. Deuces.